What if Claude could validate addresses, phone numbers, emails, or access any API in real time? Today I'll show you how to connect Claude to external APIs using Zapier MCP, and we'll demo it with Service Objects Address Validation 3. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a bridge that lets AI assistants like Claude connect to external tools and APIs. Instead of Claude just answering from its training data, MCP lets it actually do things, like validate addresses with Service Objects Address Validation 3. Zapier just launched their MCP server, which is a game changer. It lets you connect any of Zapier's 7,000 plus app integrations directly to Claude. But here's the really cool part. You can also add custom API actions. That's what we'll do today with Service Objects. We are going to enable Claude to validate addresses on the fly. Service Objects provides enterprise-grade data validation APIs. Their AV3 API provides USPS certified address validation. It returns parsed and validated address elements including delivery point validation, residential delivery indicator, and suite data, and can even correct malformed addresses. It's perfect for e-commerce, shipping, or any app that needs accurate addresses. Here's how to connect it all together. Before you get started, make sure you have either a free trial license key for the AV3 API or a full production license key. Then you'll want to make sure this license key is linked to your Zapier profile under App Connections. After that is complete, navigate to the Zapier MCP dashboard and create a new MCP server. For the MCP client, choose Claude, and then give your MCP server an appropriate name. From there, press Add Tool and search for Service Objects. There are many APIs and operations to choose from, but today we'll be using AV3 Get Best Matches. Click the three dots next to Get Best Matches and click Configure. You'll want to make sure the app connection you created in Zapier is the selected account. Depending on your key type, you can select the trial or production environment. Then, the rest of the fields can be left to be interpreted by Claude. Once the configuration is complete, click on the Connect tab and copy the integration URL. You'll want to make sure this URL is kept secure, as anyone with access will be able to use your MCP server. Click the Add to Claude button and a new Claude window will appear. Close out the Zapier tab that pops up, navigate to Search and Tools, and click Manage Connectors. From this page, you should see your MCP server. Click Connect and allow the authorization. Now, when you start a new chat, you should see the MCP server enabled under Web Search. Now let's try it out. All you need to do is tell Claude to validate any address in question. Let's use the address for the White House as an example. Claude will utilize the MCP server and return the results of the validation in a summarized form. If you want to see the entire result payload, just simply ask Claude. That's the power of MCP. Claude becomes more than a chatbot. It's an AI assistant that can interact with any API. Service Objects offers an entire suite of different validation APIs: phone numbers, emails, geocoding, even name validation. Imagine Claude checking phone numbers are real, validating international addresses, or enriching contact data, all in real time. Get started with their free trial with 500 transactions to test it out. Links in the description below. Thanks for watching!